top-down analysis. As a forex trader, you don't just wake up in the morning and start trading. You have to know your top-down analysis. This is Jonathan Forex. Now, without wasting much of our time, let me just give you a clue of what top-down analysis is all about. Top-down analysis is the process by which a trader confirms the chart by starting from the higher time frame, from the weekly time frame down to the daily time frame to the 4-hour to 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes, or 15 minutes for 5 minutes for those who will be scalping the market. But as for me, if I want to trade, I only use the weekly. Okay, no, I don't use weekly unless if I want to swing. But if I want to scalp or day trade, I just check my daily time frame. I check my 4-hour, 1 hour, and then 15 minutes where I execute my trade. So that's it. So you can think out your own the type of chart that clarifies you. Some people understand the 1 minute chart, some understand the 5 minute chart. So check on yourself what charts at least for some weeks and know the time frame that enters your eyes, the time frame that you understand its movement very well before you place any trade in forex. So that's what the top down is all about. So now let me go to live chart and show you some instances of this top down analysis. Now, if you look at Euro USD, now you see that it has been in its all-time low. It has been coming downwards because my moving average is above the charts. You can see there, but there was a break of structure that took place here. You see, there was break of structure here, but now maybe there was another block here that started pushing the markets down. No, there is, look at this support here that turned resistance. Yeah, and now the market went down, and I don't know what, but I'm just observing this market now. I don't know if it will retest as if it will mitigate here and start going down, or it will break all the structure and still push up. So as a smart money trader, I'm just trying to observe the market, but still I'm still making profit in my 15 minutes time frame, buying in any opportunity that I see. So that is what is happening here. What is happening here is that the market is in its uptrend. It has been in a downtrend, but there's a break of structure here, which shows that of recent there is an uptrend. You can see. So what you should not be looking at what has been happening within this period of time. We want to place a trade. Looking at the higher time frame, we should be looking at what is happening within this closest period of time, because each candle, this is a daily time frame, so each candle represents a day. So in daily time frame, one candle represents a day. This is a day, this is another day, this is another day. So you have to be watching the candlesticks to understand what is happening there. So now, the next thing is for you to move over to the 4-hour time frame. You go to 4-hour time frame. What has been happening? You see that the market is in its uptrend too. You can see it has been in its uptrend, forming a higher high and a higher low. So, but if you go to the daily time frame, you see that highest you see what is it called? Just like 2 or 3 candles. But in like for instance, let me draw this thing. This is my triangular bars. So just if you look inside this rectangular bar, you see that it's only 3 candles that are there. But if you go to 4-hour time frame, it shows many candles. You can see. So within these 3 candles, there have been an uptrend and as well a downtrend. You can see it here and here. You understand? So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. So now the next movement is for you to go to the daily time frame. Let us now go down to our 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. So you can see that the market is in uptrend. So if you go to the 15 minutes time frame now, you can see many things has been happening. The market has been going up and going down simultaneously. But in the other time frame, highest it was going up and down. the same thing happens here. So when you come down to here, you understand everything. Here, my moving average is above the candlesticks. You can see, which shows an uptrend in 15 minutes time frame. At the same time, what happened? The candlestick still went below. You can see it, and my chart is now above the moving average, showing an uptrend. So you can now be looking for an opportunity to buy, or to buy especially. So now I cannot buy this trade because it is going down, but some people can still buy. For those that have mind, that can kick against the trend, you can buy and you can still sell and be making your profits. But you have to be careful, apply a proper risk management at any point in time. Now let me show you guys something. If you look at this thing now, let me draw my if you look at this thing, you see that the market has been going up, just up. You see, here is just a candlestick that is red. But let me now put my this rectangular to my rectangular bar. You see something like this. Yeah, something like this. Now let us go to 15 minutes time frame. This is my 15 minutes time frame. This is that white, this thing, you can see it here now. The white that I just drawn just cover the whole thing here. So let me zoom in so you can be seeing the candles. You can be seeing the candlesticks very well. Hey, I hope you understand me now. Watch this video, you understand many things that I'm about to say. So now look at this thing. You see that within this period of time, in 4 hour time frame, it was just going up only, but here you can see that it went up, came down, went up, came down. You can see in 15 minutes time frame there was a momentum uptrend, up and down, up and down, up and down. So as a pro trader, just be looking with the trading the small accounts. For those who will be trading the pro, who are into this challenge, you can just be looking for an opportunity to buy. Anywhere you see a buying candlestick, you can just buy. After the selling, you buy. After the selling, you buy, using supply and demand zone, as well as the support and resistance zone. You can see it is very simple. Forex is very simple. Now, what to make it more simple is for you to apply your proper risk management, control your emotions, and everything will be okay. Now, let me give you another instance using another currency pair, like, let me take New Zealand. So if you look at New Zealand, you see that within this period of time, like me, we're emphasizing more on what has been happening of recent. Look at here, you see that the market has been in its uptrend, just straightforward uptrend. So if you go down to 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, anyone, or 5 minutes time frame, you can see, no, I don't need to understand 5 minutes time frame. I prefer 15 minutes. So, but you can choose your own. Some of my guys like 5 minutes time frame, but me, I like 15. So if you look at this 15 minutes time frame, you can see that there is change in trends. It was in this uptrend, but still you can see a support and resistance zone. You can see buying and selling. You can see the demand and supply. Everything is there. So just apply your proper patience in Forex. Do your top-down analysis from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Even if you are a scalper, even if you are a day trader, you must look out for opportunities to buy or to sell in the lower time frame. So even the swing traders, they still come down to lower time frame to place their trade, to understand what has been happening in the market. Those that hold their trend for a long time, they still come down to 15 minutes time frame to target their entries. So I know this video is very helpful to you, and that's why I come down to explain everything for you, so that you will understand, so that we all will be profitable in this forex market and buy Benz. Yes. So I want you to please do something for me. I want you to please subscribe to my channel. Just see that subscription button below and like my video. Then you can comment, you can ask any of your question and I will answer all of them for you. You can watch my video on demand and supply zones. Okay, bye. Thanks.